I have restored 3 items. This Snoopy, this guy, this guy. That guy was very simple. Just 2 things. 3 things with Snoopy. I had to replace the wire with that orange wire. Got stuck down in there. But yeah, I had to replace the Christmas tree wire with that orange wire. Make a connection strong in here. And actually Snoopy, I had to give it a bit of screw, look at a button and sew it up. So more than 2 things. But here he is. And it's on the charger, so I can't go far. Not gonna show this one's full operation. Because it's put a long time. That's my custom snowflake spinning Tigger. I made it so you can make it spin candy canes and peppermints. Now, this guy, I repaired him second. A wire for this, the red wire for the lady, came off of the connector you'll plug it in and out of. Since I can't solder it back on, it just made those wires connected. Need the button, don't have those. This is do nothing. Thanks to batteries, I can find out what's wrong with my animatronics and fix them. This guy just needed a new light. It's perfectly fine. See that? It also needs that sewn up. So those are the 3 items I've repaired. Bye.